All right, let's get right into it. What if you could take all those scattered documents, all your notes, all your research, and turn them into a personal AI expert? An expert that knows your work inside and out. I mean, that's the incredible promise of Google's NotebookLM. But, and this is a big but, there's a huge catch that almost everyone misses. So let me ask you this, and be honest, are you using NotebookLM completely wrong? Because here's the thing. If you're treating it like just another chatbot, you absolutely are. It's the single biggest mistake people make, and it's stopping you from unlocking what this thing can really do. This is not a tool for asking about the weather. It's something way, way more powerful. And this slide just lays it out perfectly. Look at the difference here. On one side, you've got your typical chatbot, like ChatGPT. It knows the whole wide, messy internet. It has to guess sometimes, and yeah, it can definitely hallucinate. But then you look at NotebookLM. It doesn't know the internet. It only knows what you give it. It becomes an expert in your world. Every single answer is grounded in your sources, and it even tells you where it got the information with citations. It's not a generalist. It's your personal thinking partner. So let's really break down this chatbot mistake, because getting this right, truly understanding this distinction, is the key to everything. It's how you turn NotebookLM from a simple little query tool into a powerhouse for your work. So the most crucial point to get in your head is this. NotebookLM operates in a closed loop. It works only with the sources that you upload. It is not going out and scouring the web in real time for answers. And that means its responses are grounded, they're accurate to your material, and it's all completely private. There's no guessing involved, just pure analysis of what you've provided. And because of that unique structure, it is just tailor-made for certain jobs. For big research projects, it can synthesize dozens of papers in minutes. If you're learning something complex, it can distill it down for you. Studying for an exam? Perfect. Doing business analysis on internal reports without worrying about data leaks? This is the tool. It really shines where focus and accuracy are everything. Okay, so this brings us to the next big idea. Since the AI's intelligence is built entirely on what you feed it, well, the foundation of its power is the quality of your personal knowledge base. You've heard it before, garbage in, garbage out. But the flip side is true too. You put quality in, and you're going to get incredible insights out. And you have a lot of room to build. Each notebook can hold up to 50 different sources. Now think about that. That's enough space to upload a whole semester's worth of reading, a huge stack of research papers, or all the documents for a major project. It's a serious capacity. And the versatility here is just fantastic. You're not just limited to plain text documents. You can throw in PDFs, Google Docs, even links to websites. And get this, you can even add YouTube videos. It'll pull the transcript and analyze the content, making your knowledge base truly multimedia. Now, here's a really simple but vital pro tip for you. Please name your files clearly. AI_agent_research_2026.pdf gives the AI valuable context before it even cracks the file open. Document1.pdf, well, that tells it absolutely nothing. Clean organization is always the first step to getting clean, intelligent answers back. Okay, so once you've built out your knowledge base, this is where the real magic starts to happen. There's this thing called the Studio Panel, and it's this whole suite of features that helps you turn all that passive information into active, usable content. It's amazing. How wild is this? The Audio Overviews feature can literally generate a podcast-style conversation where two AI hosts debate the nuances of your research. It's like having a couple of experts critique your sources for you, pointing out connections and even contradictions you might have totally missed. And for all you visual learners out there, this is a total game changer. With just a single click, NotebookLM can take pages of dense text and transform it into a short, narrated video explainer, complete with its own slides. It is perfect for making summaries or presentations in a tiny fraction of the time. And for anyone who does any kind of analysis, this is a massive time saver. You can literally just ask it to compare features across different documents, or pull out key stats, or organize a timeline. It'll generate a clean, structured table that you can then pop right into Google Sheets. No more manual copy-pasting for hours. All right, so you've got the fundamentals down. Now let's explore a couple of advanced techniques that will really take your interaction with this AI to the next level and make it so much smarter. This is one of the newest and honestly most powerful features. Deep Research Mode basically acts like your own personal research agent. You give it a topic, and it can go out and browse the web, create a whole research plan, analyze what it finds, and then generate a structured report that you can add right back into your notebook. It just automates the most boring part of research. Now, this next technique, it completely flips the script on how you use an AI, and it is one of the best ways to actually learn something deeply. So instead of asking the AI to explain a concept to you, you explain it first in your own words. Then you ask the AI to critique your understanding based on the sources you've provided. It's an incredibly powerful way to find the little gaps in your own knowledge. So the big question is, how do we put all of this together? Let's walk through the exact workflow that the experts are using to create a knowledge base that actually gets smarter and more valuable over time. It's a 5-step loop. First, you gather outside info using deep research mode. Second, you upload your own private stuff, your notes, your documents. Third, you critique everything by generating one of those audio overviews. Fourth, you analyze the data, creating tables and summaries to find insights. And finally, and listen up, because this is the most important step, you ask the AI to summarize the entire session you just had, and then you add that summary back into the notebook as a new source. You see? Each and every session makes your knowledge base smarter. Ultimately, the real magic happens when you stop using NotebookLM like a simple chatbot and you start treating it like a true thinking partner. When you master this workflow, you're not just using a tool anymore. You are building your own personal AI-powered knowledge system. And in an era that's completely defined by information, well, what could possibly be a bigger superpower than that?